calls me Sunshine. This is a place where I'm free to be me on my soapbox. Today's video is an Overhaul Ipsy unboxing. All these months I've been super busy doing all kinds of things that I will let you know in the upcoming videos because I'm so excited to tell you guys what's been going on. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. That's for another video. Today we're gonna jump into all of these Ipsy packages that I have not opened up since January. I told you I've been busy. Okay, so I have 5 packages total that I'm gonna open up for you, but I don't want this to be a very long video, so I'm gonna try to unbox everything, show it to you. I'm not gonna do too much talking because I wanna know what's in these bags, don't you? If you can hear a little crunch crunch, that's Miss Piggy eating her lunch. This is the January bag. Move all of these goodies over. And at the end, I'll showcase for you everything from every bag just in case you happen to miss it if I'm going too fast. Brow gel. Ooh. Oh, I've been waiting for this foundation. Anastasia. Oh. Bam. This is February. Celebrate Black History Month. And I missed it.
Okay, I have another brush. That's nice.
Maybe this one's, oh no, this is different. This is a skin smoothing complexion brush. Another brush. It's by the same company, so this one is a Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation brush. So that was from February. This one, January, February, oh that's right, this came from the box. So this is March, yeah. See the difference between the brushes? I thought they gave me the same brush. I was about to get a little upset, you know? Never can go wrong with brushes. Concealer. Lip oil. That's it for this bag. This is March. Cute little March bag. More brushes. Jello Gloss Balm. Okay. And that would be it for this bag. This is the April bag. Oh, and guess what? This Glam Bag X is signed by Khloe Kardashian. It says, "Welcome to the Khloe Kardashian's world, from her go-to products to her best-kept beauty secrets." Interesting. Enough of that. The last bag. They always save the best for last. This thing seems heavy too. I'm not mad. Hand cream, cactus and pink pepper. Something in here smells good. I think it's this. Perhaps it's this. It's perfume. Library of Flowers, Forget Me Not. You know what? The face I just made is only because we have these little creatures running around here in Texas. Yeah, I'm not too fond of these things, but oh, that's what I smell. I smell this. I'll open this up later. Hand cream. Oh, another. Ha! Anastasia. Oh, what is this stuff on my nails? I think this came from the bag. Look. Ew. It's like stuck to my nail. Okay, now that I got the sticky stuff off my fingertips, this is the Brow Gel by Anastasia. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Charcoal deodorant. Great Expectations. Grapefruit bergamot. This is what I was smelling. Oh, this is what I was smelling. This smells amazing. Okay. Said to smell that again. Boy, it makes me want to just. And let's see the last thing in the bag. More brushes. And this is from May. My June bag is on the way, so I can't wait for that. What I'll do now is I'll put everything all on the table so you guys can see everything, and I'll highlight it from January, February, March, April, and May. Since I haven't gotten my June bag yet, it's just the beginning of June. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.